Hey everybody, welcome to my channel and my mess. Hey Penny. So this is the current state of my living room because they're putting new flooring in and I have to repaint walls. But check out my new flooring, it's so pretty. So everything's shoved into the kitchen and dining room. The hallway is just concrete. And the state of my nail room is disaster. So I really thought that I was going to do something fun for my giveaway announcement. That would be interesting, dangerous. No, probably not that, but anyhow, so instead I asked my son to pick some winners for me. I just copied and pasted everybody's name on 3 columns, either US, Canada, or international. There were only 2 Canadian. So the winners of the Bundle Monster Seascape, I forgot what it was, Seascape mani kits are in the US, Sheila Daves. The Canadian is Debora Seward, and international is Anita Bruzeles. I'm hoping I got that right. I'll put the names in the title down here. So contact me, email in the email address below, and give me your address so that I can mail you your prize. And then be looking for the 2,000 subscriber giveaway. Will be the next giveaway I have. I mean, I'm probably going to have other giveaways in between that are just going to be a pop-up, and I keep meaning to do that. Just, like, boom, you get something. And I've been so busy with the baby and all this crap in the house that I haven't really done anything. I barely do my nails. Okay, thanks you guys. Love you. Oh, she gonna go cut y'all. No, stand there, let her. Peeking over the camera.